Welcome to Teachable Tuesdays. This week we're going to talk about rural properties and conservation authorities.
Does this rural property fall underneath one of the conservation authorities that help manage forests, wetlands, and the overall environment? If it does, then this governing authority will have the rights to dictate what you can and cannot do on this property. If you are planning on building that shop and you think that this is a perfect property, you'd have to go through the municipality for permits, but you would also have to go through the conservation authority as well. So it's best to have all your ducks in a row ahead of time and just find out who is governing that property. In Dufferin County, there are 5 different conservation authorities that will govern the land. There's the Grand River, Credit Valley, Nottawasaga, Toronto and Region, and Saugeen Conservation Authorities. Each one of these conservation authorities have different responsibilities and will impact the land in different ways. Please feel free to reach out to me for more information. See you next Teachable Tuesday.